Hey people, I've been fortunate enough to have quite a few little rabbits till now, but I think of the lot, these two little souls, they are like really young, they must be 1 month old. So white one is very excited. No wonder it's darting about from one place to another. It's fun to see an animal so excited, and I've understood that we should never, apparently even fish can die once they are overfed. See, that's a photo of my child I have at the back. And basically it is 10:30 in the evening while I'm recording this, because we're about to sleep, but I just put it there because I felt my little guy, I like my babies to be near me when I'm falling asleep, and that is Tone. I normally don't make such candid videos, but I feel it's just adorable. You can keep watching them, that's the whole thing. So as you can see, they are busy, so I guess I'll leave them in peace. It's already a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.